I feel so stupid doing this. Okay. Hi everyone, welcome to the long-awaited room tour at my dad's house. So as you can tell by the title, my parents are divorced and my sister and I share a room at my dad's house, as you can see by the 2 beds in the middle of the room. She's not here right now because when I asked her to do this video with me, she said, what more is there to do? You literally just show the room once and that's a room tour. And I'm like, no. I feel like no one does room tours anymore. And anyways, yeah, Ella just didn't want to do a room tour with me, which is fine, but she sleeps right there. I guess that's all you really need to know. But yeah, come on in. So my dad moved into this house like 2 years ago. He's lived in different houses around Grand Rapids, Michigan. That's where I live. My mom lives like 10 minutes away from here. If you have divorced parents, I'm sure you know how this all works. You probably spend maybe equal time at both parents' houses, but for my dad's house, we spend less time here. We spend, I guess, like a majority of the time at my mom's house. And then when it's like my dad's weekend, it's every other week. So we're essentially only here for like 2 weekends a month. But the whole basement was completely unfinished. And so he built this room for us and then just gave us complete freedom to decorate it. Ella didn't want to decorate it. So basically this is my room. She just has her bed because she didn't do anything. So now that we kind of have the intro, as you come in from the door, my brother's room's right there. There's an unfinished bathroom that my dad's working on over there. Yeah, that's an unfinished bathroom. My brother's bedroom, just come here. But brother's bedroom's right there. I think that's Jack and Andrew share that room. I'm doing like a whole basement tour right now. Yeah, here, if you look over here, that's just like the unfinished side of the basement my dad's still working on. This is our junk that we didn't want in the room. This is laundry I had to put away. I just didn't want to put it away before I filmed the video. Yeah, well. So then when you come in through this door, this is what you see. A little pan of the room. This random door that you see here actually just leads to storage and like, I don't know, just random stuff back here. Coming over here, as you can see, we have these vines. These are from Urban Outfitters. And I just went to Meijer and I got like these little thumbtacks. It was pretty easy. You just pin it at the top and then I went all the way down and I kind of like used the whole pack up and whatever I had left I put over there. Here, this was, I don't know where I got this idea. I think just being on Pinterest so much, I just wanted a cozy lighting arrangement that had to do with like twinkle lights, but I didn't want it to be too cheesy. So I went to Meijer with my friends and we bought a bed sheet, which wasn't that expensive because you can just get like a really cheap one. Pinned it like right here, pinned it in the middle, and then pinned it up here. And then what we did is we bought white Christmas lights and we just strung them on either sides. And then there's one right here, and then we like did the extension to one right here. When you plug it in, it's really cozy. Yeah, so I don't know, it's just really cozy, and I'm sure people have done this before, but I'm really proud of this because my friends and I did this in like maybe 2 hours. But it's just like a really inexpensive, cute, like bed decor. Maybe all of this together was like $50. Coming to Ella's bed, we've had these like random pillows forever. I really don't know where they're from, but I got her this bedspread from Urban. This blanket we both share, but it's from Urban. And then I think I actually got both of those from Urban too. That sign says think happy, stay happy, and then it's just like a cute little moon mirror. And then coming over here to my bed, my bed my bed sheet is from Urban as well, and we just put like our old comforters inside this. It's gray underneath here, so it doesn't really look too white. Yeah, it was my idea to kind of put the beds together because I thought it would be really fun if we both had friends over at the same time. It would just be really easy for everyone to just kind of like lay out over the whole space, and then we obviously have like other bean bags around the room, so it's really fun to hang out with like both of our friend groups in here. I'm pretty sure I got this fluffy pillow from like Target, and then I know I got both of these like blanket looking pillows from Urban. This moon decoration is from Urban. Everything's from Urban. I just didn't know where else to go. I wouldn't recommend, if you're trying to save money, to buy everything on Urban. I'm sure you could find dupes of literally all of this for a lot cheaper, but I just wanted to get this room decorated, so I was on Urban. I thought this was really cute because it's like spiritual. It's artsy. So yeah, these windows, this is not really a pretty view. It's winter and it's gross out. In the summer it's really nice because you can just open up the blinds and the sunlight comes in really nice, especially for being in the basement. Over here I just have a mason jar, this random journal that I've never used. And then this pink candle that Tarte actually gave me. It smells really good. They gave this to me for Christmas. I haven't had the chance to use it. But yeah, I just have that kind of randomly right there. So right here we have, I thought this was really cool. I don't know why, but I just think it's really cool when rooms have like the USB adapters and they have chargers. Anyways, behind here I have fan letters. I don't know, I just think it's a really cute place to put it because you can move this back. It doesn't look cluttered, but like I still like having them hanging up. So I always know that they're behind here. And right here have this diffuser. Haven't had the chance to use that either, but that's kind of hiding behind here because I didn't know where else to put it and I didn't want the room to look cluttered. This isn't much of a view either. Literally the same thing. It's just gross and yeah. So coming over here, this is just a really old table that we've kind of had in our family for a while. I don't have much in here. I just have like Dove chocolate that my friend gave me and then a whole bunch of Sharpies because we were doing Jenga one night and we decorated the Jenga, whatever. And then just like a random charger cord, camera, strap, and that's all that's in here. And then right here is just kind of a cute like nightlight. Okay, so it was left on, but normally it lights up. I have a picture of Ellie and I right here. And then as you can see, I have the leftover vines from the packet. Right here is one of my favorite things about the room, and it's the banana light. I love it so much. I think it's adorable. It's kind of cheesy, but I think it's really cozy, especially at night when those lights are on and then this is on and like the twinkle lights are on. Just makes it really cozy. So then right here, this beanbag is from Urban once again, and I think this might be from Target, just says family. And then coming right here, we have my mirror that used to be at my mom's house, and then we have my new hoodie and t-shirt collection, which is the I Spy tie-dye collection on Starlight Village. I'm wearing the purple one right now just because I thought kind of went with the aesthetic of the room. The t-shirts are $29 and the hoodies are $45 if you guys are interested in buying. On the purple hoodie it says, "Would you like you if you met you?" And then it says the same thing on the t-shirt in the middle. And then for the blue hoodie, we just have sketch of the world. And then for the t-shirt, the world is just in the middle. For the orange hoodie, the quote that's on the sleeve is, "We are what we believe we are." And then it just has the same thing on the t-shirt. But the reason these are kind of expensive is because they're eco-friendly. They are made out of recycled plastic water bottles. They are dyed and printed in the US, and dyeing and printing on t-shirts just costs a little bit extra. But yeah, if you guys do want to check these out, I will link them in the description. No pressure, but yeah, they're there if you want them. I think I actually got this mirror from Urban as well. And then under here we have a heater because it gets cold in the winter, and we just turn that on whenever we come in the room. Pretty sure these pillows are from Target. This just says grateful. This is a sequin sparkly one we've had forever. This beanbag once again is from Urban. And then this this is Ella's. It says cheer with your mom or cheer or sit with your mom, because she's a senior this year. That was for her football games. Now moving on to the closet. As you can see, these are a little bit too short. We didn't measure properly, and so they like kind of cover everything, but not really. You can kind of tell. Okay, so this is our closet. It's pretty nicely sized. We don't have too many clothes here because, like I said, we're here 2 weekends a month, so we don't really have a lot of clothes here. Right here is just like the dresses, and we have some shirts and flannels and pants, and I've got some shorts and some pants, and then t-shirts, tops, and then like bras, underwear, socks. Under here, just some like random stuff, like I have my Wildfire phone case and some more diffuser stuff. Right here we have literally shoes that probably will never be worn because we took the shoelaces off. And then those, I'm not gonna wear these. So I bought them like a year and a half ago and I just haven't worn them ever. Here I have a big bag full of bags, just like backpacks or random bags from like Free People or like the grocery store, anything I might need for a trip. We were supposed to hang this somewhere in the room. There's supposed to be a plant in here, but I really don't know how to do it because it's so long and we've never really figured it out. We'll probably eventually just end up taking this off and hanging it like this. I don't really know. And then right here we have the dirty laundry, some jackets, and then right here I kind of have like my makeup, extra makeup and hair stuff, maybe that like has been sent to me from PR. But yeah, that's really it for the closet. And the last thing is probably just this. We have this beanbag from Urban, and over here, actually, wait, I've had this mirror for a long time, and then this was from Goodwill, but yeah, that's basically everything in the room. If you guys have any suggestions for us to add on to the room, let me know in the comments. This has been a long-awaited room tour, and I just thought I would get it done with and give it to you guys because it's been like a year since I said I would do one. I think this is just a fun video I'm kind of posting in the middle of the week. For Mondays, I'm normally going to post a gap year video or a Meloche madness video, kind of like the reality TV show style videos with my family. Be on the lookout for that. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.